to It's a Jag. Long awaited video. Now I've been busy, I've completed my build here, so I can work on the Jag or the other car as much as I want to, wind or rain. Now the purpose of today's video is, first of all, I have some merchandise. There's a shop coming out soon where you can purchase keyrings like those two there. You know, I kind of like those, they look lovely. So you'll be able to purchase some keyrings if you want. Also, an It's a Jag window sticker. Now these are waterproof, so you can stick them on the outside. And what we've got in here, let's have a look. Oh, look at that! We've got ourselves a nice little cap. I'm going to put this down because this is going to be part of the video. This strip. It's a Jag cap. So that's another thing that you can purchase. Oh, this one's got a bit of dog hair on it, sorry about that. But these are very decent, you know, very comfortable. So I'll put the link to the shop below in the description. So anyway, let's cut to the chase. Yes, it is nice and clean. I have cleaned it inside and out. Well, just the inside, not the outside. Purpose of today's video is to replace this horrible, crusty seal. Now, they're absolutely horrible the way these go. Now, you can buy those seals for a ridiculous amount of money. Or, what a good friend does, he makes them out of the front. Now, there will be a slight angle problem here, which doesn't bother me, to be honest. But it will take that horrible, crusty look away. So, as you see, it is made from a front one. Anyhow, I'm not bothered about that. I'm just bothered about the clean look. So the way to do this is simply you just lift it out. And ideally you want to clean this up here. But just for the purpose of this video, I'll just pop this on for now. Then I'll take it off in my own time and clean that up before I put it back on. And basically it just slides in there. There we go. Put it in there. Make sure it sits down properly. There we go. And there we have it. It's on now, just needs a clean. So yeah, you will get that slight annoyance there, but if you're not bothered about that, it'll be fine. I'm not too fussed about it, to be honest, because it still gives that lovely clean look, and that's all I'm bothered about, rather than this horrible crusty crap. Look at that, I mean, what's in there? It's like metal. Yeah, look at it all. Bubbly metal. Yeah, it's not really the best design. But anyway, that's that. Now, as I said, I'm going to take it back off and clean it up before I put it back on again. But that's one side done, and then I'll do the other side off camera. You get the idea of how it works. Very easy. Lift up, take off, refit the replacement. But that's a much cleaner look now. So I will do the same on the other side. Although the other side isn't that bad, to be honest. It's only that bit, but it's worth changing anyhow, just to get that cleaner look. Other than that, not much to report. Now, the heat issue with the thermostat. Now, there is a fix that's been suggested by a friend who's well into these X-types, who's more knowledgeable than what I am. He has suggested that we can basically block off the oil thermostat, and he seems to think that'll solve the problem. Now that is something I will be attempting, and we'll see how we get on. I may do it today, but the video will be released next week or in the next 2 weeks. This video will be released today because I haven't released a video for a while now, and I need to start making more videos. So anyway, I'm going to crack on and get this video all edited and on the website, on the YouTube channel. As I said, if you're interested in any of this stuff, keyring hats, I'll put the link in the description, and it'd be great if you can make a few purchases. It'd be wonderful, but you're not inclined to. Simply subscribing and watching really does help me out. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.